So we'll see how can we make a list of data frames and extract those individual data frames from the list. So we have two data frames over here. We have our first data frame std.data, and that has these three columns. So this is student ID, student name, and student section. And then we have the second data frame, which is employee.data, which has employee ID, employee name, and employee department. Now, what I want to do is feed these two data frames inside a list and extract those individual data frames from the list. Well, it's pretty simple. All we have to do is create a list first. So I'll use the list function and pass the names of both of these data frames, which is std.data and emp.data. And I will store this in a new object and name that object to be myList. Now let me print this out. So this is what we have. So we had initially two data frames, student data and employee data. I took both of them and stored them in a list and named that to be myList. Now if I want to extract individual data frames from this list, all I have to do is use indexing. So let's say if I want the student data frame from this list, I would have to type myList and I would have to give the index number 1, right? So this is how I can extract the student data frame from the list. Similarly, if I want to extract the employee data frame, since employee data frame is present in index number 2, I'd have to give in index number 2 over here, right? And this is how we can extract index number 2 from this list.